As well as maintaining your existing pages, the CMS can also create new pages for your site. Click on this button and this window fires up. First thing to do is give it a file name. Avoid using spaces in this because it will be the name of the file which resides on the server. Use a dash or an underscore instead. We'll call this one new page, and next we'll pick a template. Every site will have different template options in here bespoke to the design, but for this one we'll pick template number 1. Here is a directory where you're going to create the file. The default is the root directory, so we'll just leave it there. And a new page has appeared in the list. Let's give it a more friendly name. This makes no difference to the site whatsoever, it's just a name which is indexed by the CMS in this list, so you can have spaces, whatever characters you want. And it's changed the name within that list. Now let's have a look at the template we've chosen. You'll recognise the format from the demo site. It's got many common elements in it, such as the picture at the top, items in the margin, and this particular template has the 3 footer columns. Main content area is here, as you can see, and you'll notice that it's already populated. You can have your templates configured to have this area totally blank, but from experience I personally find it better to work on a format which is already established. It's a lot quicker and easier just to replace items and use what's there rather than build everything up from scratch. You can always just delete any elements here that you don't actually want. Now we'll just fast forward through putting some content on the site, kicking off with the image at the top. And in the main content area, we'll take some of the elements out that are not needed. We'll remove the bullet list, header displays, the left orientated image. OK that down, and we see the format that's now left for putting the content into. Let's fast forward again and just put some new content here. Once that's done, OK that down, and we'll see the changes we made in the editor. Now let's publish this and have a look at it on the live site. And that's that template format being used to create an entire new page in a matter of minutes. Even though the page is live on the site, it's not accessible because you have to link to it from the other pages within your site itself. So let's go back to the editor, and what we'll do in the main menu, we'll create a link to point to the new page we've just created. Insert edit link, browse, and the file name we gave this page was new page. Select that, OK it down, and we'll see a new item has appeared in the main menu here. Now let's publish this and go back to the live page. That's a new menu item there, and when we go to any other page, we can navigate back to a new one by clicking on the new menu item.